Tinker and Tom back again, having problems with these bulbs, my turn signals on the Kawasaki 1988 Eliminator. I went and bought these from the local motorcycle shop where I got my helmet, called Cycle Gear. And the reason I don't like these is, I'll show you right now. One, they're not working. I mean, I think I have power to the wires. It's just something in here just keeps not making good connection, or the soldering's gone bad inside. I'll show you real quick. Okay. So I just took that off. They have these weird contact plates. I already cut it off. That's what I'm working with right there. I cut it off, and I'm gonna try to run these new wires, which have their own coating. You need to check on your box if you're doing this. It might be different on yours, but this whole little deal right here wasn't working out for me. I don't know if the soldering, like I said, went bad or something, but the contact plates weren't doing the job, and I already paid someone to try to fix it. I'm hoping this is gonna work. So if you guys having problems with your turn signals, maybe you can go this route. We'll see if it works for me. If you do go LED though, you'll need more resistors, or fuses. You have to put those in the system. So they said I shouldn't need that with these. Let's see how it goes. I think there's bulbs in there already. Alright, here's the tip here. Make sure you put this, take off the washer and the nut, and then put the rod through first, feed the wires, and then put the nut and washer around there and feed it down. Because it won't fit through the hole. It won't fit through the hole with that on this side, of course. I have some wire strippers. I'm gonna go get those and try to match these up. And with these, I'm pretty sure you just put it in there and then you clamp them down. Press it down with like a vice grip or some kind of clamps. If you don't know what wire strippers are, get something like these. I went to Harbor Freight, something like that. You can go to Lowe's, whatever. But yeah, this gives you the different gauges and nice slicing and way to unsheath the coating around the wire. Just to strip out each one of these and feed them into those. And put them into those. I ended up cutting off the ones that came with the brackets because they don't work very well. I couldn't get it to pinch right, so I ended up using these other ones I had laying around I bought earlier for fixing something else on the battery here. So what I do is I cut away one point of it, expose the copper wiring. I already pinched this one on. You just stick it in there and pinch it with the pliers. Cut these short so I could expose more. It was like a 50 pack of these or something, different sizes. You can buy at a auto parts store, Harbor Freight, something like that. Hardware stores. So this red positive turn, red is the turn positive, and that's going to my yellow wire, because when I use my test light and put it to there, that's the one that blinks when I turn on my signal. So you can always use a test light to Test that out. That's a tip for y'all. Alright, we got our first sign of operation, and it works. You can see the difference, the old, new. Get a little video. I'll switch. And it is working in the back. I just don't want to kill my battery. So I'm just going to tidy that up and then get this other side going. And inspection is next. Tinker and Tom on YouTube. Please hit subscribe or like. Demonstrate one more time. Got the white black they said is the ground on the new lights. Got it exposed. And I have my regular black ground from the bike OEM wires. I'm going to fuse them together with this double-ended pinch tube. I like these a lot. Please hit subscribe or like on the channel for more content. Pinching it just like this, and I pinch it kind of from both angles since I have these curved pliers. They seem to be working pretty well. So hopefully that's a successful fix. I'm gonna clean this up, get it tucked in there, and try to go get this inspection.